Good morning. Anecdote of life. My name is JB UMB, sowing and harvesting peace. 5 years ago, in partnership with my father and my grandfather, we planted a crop of vegetables on the family farm. The problem was the big expenses had not been we planted to maintain the crop until harvest day. There were many problems in our family relationship. The society was broken and the family relationship had been complicated. There were many problems because there was no money for the expenses of keeping the crop alive. Finally, the cultivation and being lost and the relationship with my father and my grandfather. Everything was lost. I felt very sad and disappointed to have a bad relationship with my father and grandfather. I had economic problems in my home. My children and my wife are being affected economically. With the pace of time, the family relationship had improved, but I regret of not having planned better the business and of having lost important time fitting with my family.